The one length technique is used to create a square, one level line that falls below the shoulder. After shampooing, a leave-in conditioner is applied to the lengths of the hair to ease into tangling. To begin, a profile parting is placed from the front hairline through to the nape. Diagonal forward partings are taken from the occipital to behind each ear. The density of the hair will determine the depths of the sections taken. Starting with the central subsection approximately 1 inch wide, the hair is combed to natural fall and held in the comb while the line is cut square. Key points: the head should be positioned slightly forward and the fine teeth of the comb are used for maximum tension. Have the client stand or sit on a stool to avoid elevating over the back of a chair, which would create unwanted graduation in the line. The guide is continued from the profile to the outer edge. On the opposite side, the square line is maintained by cutting from the outer edge to the profile. Diagonal forward sections are repeated. And the hair combed to natural fall, (0 degrees elevation, and cut to the guide. The balance is checked visually. The next section is a horseshoe that runs from the recession area on both sides to just below the crown. Key point: the objective is to cut as close to the guideline as possible without recutting it. Stopping the comb 1 to 2 inches from the guide will allow it to be seen more easily. The remaining lengths are released and the line completed. In this section, the sides are combed to natural fall, then over-directed back to behind the shoulders so that the square line is maintained. The line is checked visually for balance. To prepare for the blow dry, a lightweight styling product is applied. Section the hair horizontally and begin drying from the underneath. This will allow for a consistent end result and prevent over-drying the surface of the hair. A round brush is used to create a smooth, polished finish. The front is dried from one side and then the other to allow for the root area to move freely. The line is now cross-checked by tilting the head forward and removing any underlying graduation. Finish the look by applying a lightweight shine product to mid-lengths and ends. Let's recap. Partings and sections move from profile into diagonal forward into horseshoe. Distribution is natural fall into over-directed. Elevation 0 degrees in the comb, and the line is cut square.